Now in this numerator, first of all, we have to consider the two cases, case 1 and case 2. Now for both cases, you need to draw the diagram. For case 1, the two forces are perpendicular, right? So therefore, you can draw a diagram like this, in which two forces are the two sides of this rectangle. So these are the two forces. One is P and second one is Q. Now in this case, the resultant is Newton. Okay. Now here, you do not need the angle made by resultant with the horizontal x-axis. Here you only need the angle between two forces, that is P and Q, and that angle is 90 degree. Now, what you can do, you can use law of parallelogram. So you can write by using law of parallelogram. We get, while solving numerical, you should always write by using which concept, by using which phenomenon, theory, or derivation, expression you are going to solve the numerical. That you should write. In subjective paper, if your paper is subjective. If your paper is objective, you can solve this numerical on the rough paper quickly if you have the multiple choice questions. Now here, we are solving this by considering it as a subjective paper. Okay, so by using the law of parallelogram, we get the expression r square is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq cos of theta. Okay, so these are the expression for the two forces which are at right angles. Now cos of theta will be 90 degree. right? So therefore, you can write down here cos of 90. Okay, and you know that cos of 90 is equal to sine of 0, and sine of 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, 2 pq cos of 90, this whole term becomes 0. So is equal to plus 0. Therefore, r square is equal to p square plus q square is our expression, right? Now, the value of r is 5. So therefore, p square plus q square is equal to square of 5, and that is 25. So this will be our equation number 1. Now, for considering the second case in which your two forces are acting at 60 degree to each other, right? So this is P, this is Q, and they are making angle of 60 degree with each other. And here also you need to find their resultant. Resultant is given, which is equal to under root of 37. You need to find the two forces, magnitude of two forces, that is P and Q. So these values are given. Now again, applying the same theorem or same concept, that is law of parallelogram, we get r square is equal to p square plus q square plus 2 pq cos of theta. And here cos theta is 60 degree, which is angle made between P and Q, not between R and P. Angle between R and P is the alpha. Okay, and that angle is different. Here also, angle between phi Newton and P is angle alpha, that we have not considered here. Okay, we are only considering the angle between P and Q, which is 60 degree. Now after that, putting the values here, you will get cos of 60, value of r, that is root 37. Square of root 37 will be equal to 37. Cos of 60 will be equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equal to sin 30, and sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore, at final, we will get r square is equal to 37 is equal to p square plus q square plus, now cos of 60 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 will get cancelled, and we will get the second expression. Now we can solve it. Expression number 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. How we can solve it? We can subtract equation 1 from equation 2, right? So we can subtract it. (25) is equal to b square plus q square. So you have to subtract. You have to do the subtraction here for equation 1 and 2. Now at the end, you will get PQ is equal to 12. Okay. Now what you can do, that you put this value PQ is equal to 12 in equation 1. Okay. So that you can solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously to get the answer. Right? Now I request you all students to try to solve it further. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes time.